Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y28, and today I will show you how we can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, swipe down twice from the top of the screen and then find the power saving toggle, which for me is visible on the second page right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It will bring up this window letting you know what will be happening once you enable it, and just select turn on. As you can see, one of those things that will happen is dark mode will be enabled, and also the filling of the battery is changed just so you can see that the mode is now enabled. Once you're done needing the power saving mode, just find the toggle once again and simply tap on it once more, and this will revert all the changes. And with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.